Hi YouTube, welcome to the Fast Ratio. I'm Richard Marks. This is episode 1. We're going to install today a set of bar raisers on a 2009 Honda VFR800. The bar raisers that I've purchased are Moto-CNC. They've come from the UK. I will put a link in the description below. You'll also need a torque wrench as well as a
12mm socket.
So to start with, just going to stand on. There's 2 little C-clips. Use a screwdriver, or I've got these little fixings to rest. I'll be adding them again, so sit them to the side. And you can choose to put them again to protect it. However, I'm going to do these without actually letting them sit. So you do one at a time. You need to torque your torque wrench to 40 foot-pounds of torque. That's as per spec in the manual. If you don't have a manual, they're the greatest thing you can get, because it tells you all the specifications you need to know, and also all the additional secrets that they don't tell you in an owner manual. Take one of them. That notch has to go into the original little tree, and then the notch on the bar goes down that. Now there's a variance to what you can set that at, which I'll show you a bit once we've got it on and ready to tune. One done. There's no, I can't see a specific left and right, so they look like an identical part, so same thing again on the other side. Lift that one up, slide it down, make sure it's in there. Now, you've either got more of a touring, open hand, or a tucked in, more sporty. I'm going to set them to the most sports aggressive. The reason I've chosen to install these is it gives you, I find on my longer rides, too much weight on my wrists, so it kind of hurts, doing the whole purpose of enjoying the ride. So as that now sits, more of a tucked in position, should put you in more of an upright seated stance. Let's go for a ride and have a look.